welcome to my kitchen. Let's make ananas ka halwa today. Grate or crush 4 cups of freshly peeled pineapple. I used a food processor to speed up the process. The consistency of the pineapple should be chunky. Let's move on to the next step. Friends, I'm using an instant pot. Press the saute key on an instant pot and set it on normal. If you'll be using stove top, then preheat your pot on medium-high heat. Once the pot is hot, add in 4 tablespoons of ghee or 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add in 4 pieces of cardamom, 2 pieces of cloves and 2 pieces of cinnamon. Once they begin to splutter, add in the crushed pineapple. Saute this for 5 minutes. Now cook this until the pineapple juices evaporate. Make a well like this so that all the pineapple juices get collected in the center of the pot. This will speed up the process of evaporation. Pineapple juices have evaporated. The ghee is separating. Saute this for 2 minutes. Now add in 2 cups of khoya. I'm using homemade khoya. Please click the link below in the description box for the recipe. Cook until the khoya is well incorporated. Reduce the heat to low. And friends who are using an instant pot like me, press the saute function key and set it on less. Add in half a cup of sugar if the pineapples are sweet, or 1 cup of sugar if they are very sour. You can add more or less sugar. Please adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Sugar has melted. Now add in 10 to 12 ladyfingers or about 100 grams of sponge cake. Let the lady fingers or the cake soak in the moisture. Once they are soft, mix them up until they are well incorporated. Ananas ka halwa is ready. Top it with nuts and unsweetened cream before serving. Ananas ka halwa is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.